Now we can sort the result of our find function with this sort. For example, we want to sort the result with rating, average rating. So we use this rating dot average because it's an embedded document. And then for decreasing order, we use -1. In increasing order, we use 1. So we write -1 here. We get this sorted in decreasing order of average rating. So it is 9.4, and then it goes down 9.3. And then we use this runtime for further sorting this. First we sorted this with average rating, and then in that average rating we want to sort this based on runtime, on decreasing order of runtime. So we use -1 here, and then we get this. And then we have this skip function. We use this if we want to skip some documents in the result. So we put 10 here, so this will skip the first 10 documents. So we see that the rating here starts with 9. It skips the 10 documents with where we started with 9.4 rating. So here it will print, and then for example we want to skip further down. So we put 200, it will skip the first 200 documents with this sorting. So it starts from 6.8 here. This will be more helpful if you use this with ascending order, increasing order. So we'll get the highest rated movies here. We can use this function. And then to display, if we want to decide what fields we want to display, we can use this. Inside of the find function, we pass this filter. If we want to just display name, genres, runtime, and rating, we use 1. Otherwise, all others we don't write here. So we get this. ID is the default field. We get this. And then if we don't want ID also, we can put underscore ID as 0. So we just get this. And here we see that if we want to see inside of the embedded document, we want just one field inside of an embedded document inside of a field. So we can use this rating.average as one. Rating had only one field inside of it, but here we have, for example, schedule. And we see we have two fields inside of the embedded document here. So if we just want the schedule time to be displayed, we can write this. Now if we want to, for example, in genres, we want to just display one of the genres here. For example, drama. So we can use this. Inside of the find function, we write this genre drama, and then genres dot we put this dollar sign here and 1. So this will display the genres of only drama. This will necessarily not be only the drama genre. It can have other genres also, but we just display this one. Now if we put this drama and horror here, so here it is displaying just horror because it sees for drama first and then horror both. So then it will be acknowledged and it will display that one after acknowledging both of these. And then we have this operator element match. It matches the element inside of an array. So we use this. We are searching for the drama genre, but we want to display only the horror genre. So we use this here. Wherever there is horror within with this drama also, that will only be displayed here. All other are empty here. So we use this equal operator and element match operator. Similarly, for another field, if we want to put rating average here, with average rating greater than 9, but we want to display only horror genres for rating greater than 9, we use this. So we see only one of the movies here fulfills this criteria. All of these have ratings greater than 9, but they don't have the horror genre. And then we have this slice function, slice operator. We put 2 here. So in rating average greater than 9, we put slice 2 inside of genres. So this will only display 2 genres here for each of the movies. It can be more than that, but this will only be displayed here. Now, if we want to limit the fields that we want to display, so here with slice, we can write name 1. So this will display only name and genre here. And we can also use array inside of this. This 1, 2 means that it will slice from the first genre. So it will skip the first genre and then it will print 2 genres ahead of it. So for example, to check, we put an object ID of, we take one of these movies from here and we display. So we see that it skipped the first. For example, we take this one, this ID here. So it skipped the first genre from here by using this slice with this array. Now we come inside the users database, the users collection. We add these documents here. So now we are seeing the update function. So for example, we update one of these documents here with this particular ID and set hobbies to these. We are updating this from here. So these hobbies will override this one. Also with update many, we can update here inside of an embedded document. We are seeing uh, whoever has hobbies title sports, and it can be any other also, but with sports we want to display this. So we run this, and wherever the title is sports, we display the sport day. It's true. And then we have this set operator. We want to set age and phone number to this particular ID. And then we have these operators increasing. This means increment. We want to not change the age every time. We want to use this increment function. So this will increment the age by 1, whatever we write here. So for Anna, age became 18 from 17 here. Also, if we want to display something else, for example, we put is 40 as false with this. So the age code incremented and this also get displayed. So we can put multiple fields here inside of one document. We have this minimum and maximum operators. So whatever we put here, for example, for max, we put age 30 minimum here. Max had the age 27 before. So we see that this doesn't get updated here. It matches, but it doesn't modify that because this has a rule that it should be greater than whatever we want to upgrade it to. It should not be less than that. So the age was 27. So we can only put minimum below this age. For example, we put age 25. So this gets updated here. Similarly for max, it is the opposite of minimum here. For example, we can put age less than 25 now. So we see this doesn't get updated here. With more than 25, it gets updated. And then we have this multiply operator. So this will multiply the age by this 1.1. This will be helpful in some other fields in the application. So this can be displayed very precisely here. Now if we want to delete some fields from the documents, we have this null that we can write, but it will still display that particular document. So we want to delete that, we can use this unset operator. So this will delete. See, the phone field is deleted from the documents here. Also, we can rename a field with this rename operator. So we change the age name to total age. It is displayed here.